Hello.
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 Good morning. Can I help you?
Yes, we have booked a suite for 2 weeks.
And we have just married.
Oh, congratulations. You are the couple we've been waiting for. You have a present. It's waiting in your room.
Oh, thank you very much.
Oh, you're so kind.
You're welcome. Okay, your room, it's number 85. Here's your key. And here's a paper with the timetable to have breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Okay, but most of the days we might eat outside.
Yes, could you recommend us some restaurant?
Yes, there's a restaurant near the hotel that most customers come really pleased, and it's very good.
Okay, we'll try it.
And also there's a local restaurant near the Empire State Building that have food that is really good.
Oh, I love American food. Thank you. We'll go tomorrow.
And referring to the Empire State, can you get some tickets for us?
Yes, of course, I will call them and I will tell you later.
This evening we are planning to go sightseeing or shopping, maybe.
Okay, I'm going to get a map for you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Well, I was thinking of watching the football match Spain against Germany.
Really?
Yes, after you had done your shopping.
No way. We haven't done a so long journey to watch a match.
Okay.
Okay. Here's your map. I will show you where the restaurant. Okay. Here's the Empire State Building, and right there is the restaurant. And here is the hotel. In front of it is the other restaurant I told you.
Okay, thank you. We are resting a little bit because we are so tired from the flight.
Okay, leave your luggage here and I will call someone to get them.
Okay.
I'm here for anything you need.
Thank you
Okay,
very much.
thank you.
Bye.
Bye.